Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and stopping by. And if you are new here, welcome, and I appreciate you guys. So today I have a special unboxing for you guys. I am super excited about this. I have been waiting for something, a bag in the color honey brown that I like. So here's honey brown for reference. This is the essential card case that I have from retail. This is what it looks like on the inside. And then here is the small wristlet, also from retail. You guys, I absolutely love this color. So I'm not gonna hold you guys because I personally can't stand it when people talk too much doing unboxings. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Get that lid out the way. And the associate that I worked with yesterday, she was so sweet. And it was really a pleasure trying on stuff with her. And she was just, yeah, really kind, really helpful. So here is the item. I think some of you may know what's in this bag. If you've been kind of watching some of my comments, maybe on other folks' videos, I don't know. But this bag caught my eye and I immediately loved it and I had to have it. You guys, look at this. This is the Coach Chain Tabby 35. Y'all, she is beautiful. I call her the Grand Madame, okay? Get into it. So this is the 35 and she is a big girl, okay? She does fit a 13-inch laptop. I've even seen some folks slide a 15-inch laptop in her. I would not do that, but I chose this size 1 because this is the one that fit most comfortable when I tried it on with the shoulder strap. But she does come with 3 carry options. She comes with a shoulder strap. She comes with a crossbody strap as well as a gold chain. I love this gold detail, this brass detail right here. That is so beautiful to me. Y'all see that? That is gorgeous. I love the huge C clasp, and it is a magnetic closure, you guys. Let me bring that up closer. It is a magnetic closure. So I wanted to come and do a detailed unboxing with you guys because I haven't seen a lot of people share this bag in this size yet on YouTube. I've seen a few videos here and there on TikTok, but nothing detailed, nothing concrete, you guys. Also, the hang tag on this bag is a little bit bigger than average. I chose not to get it heat stamped because, of course, you know, once you do that, the bag is yours. You cannot return it because you've modified the bag. And then it does have a back zip. So I'm not a fan of these back zips on any bag, you guys, because I feel like the way that they do these, like, it's kind of hard to get it open and closed, but it's okay. But this bag is gorgeous. When I tell you it is soft, it feels like butter, you guys. And I just love the way that it fit on my shoulder when I tried it on. So here is the interior. Here's the inside, the top inside of that clasp, and this is so substantial and weighty. Let's see. So it is stuffed. I'm gonna take the stuffing out, and here are the straps. So this is the shorter shoulder strap, and then this is the crossbody strap, and it is a really good length. I love the size of the buckle. I love the detailing on the buckle. It does say Coach right there on the hardware. There you go. It does say Coach on the hardware. And it is very comfortable and it looks really good on me crossbody. It's giving messenger bag when worn crossbody, and I love that. So this definitely is a work bag size for me. And then here is the chain strap that comes with it. And you guys, I know you're thinking like this bag is probably overpriced, but these chains alone cost $100 on the Coach retail site. And this chain, I confirmed with the sales lady, This chain is longer than the average chain strap that comes for sale. So absolutely love it. So those are the 3 chains. Here's a close look, like I said, at that interior, you guys. So here on this middle pocket, there is a back snap right here. And then that is the only slip pocket on the bag. There's no slip pockets here on the front or on this back wall. And then this is like a micro suede lining. And I love the way that this is constructed. So this bag is also very lightweight and just gorgeous. So I'm going to attach the shoulder strap for you guys so we can see how that's looking. And that clasp is magnetic, FYI. I love the way it looks carried by the chain strap. That looks so glamorous carried by the chain strap. I absolutely love it. This bag, y'all, I don't even think the camera is really doing it justice right now, but it is gorgeous. So I'm definitely going to move into this bag immediately. There will be no waiting on the move-in for this bag. I absolutely love it. And so here it is with the shoulder strap. So you guys can see this bag has, let me zoom out because I don't think you're catching it. So this bag has a really good strap drop for the shoulder strap. So I tried this on yesterday with a sweater on, kind of bulky sweater at that, and it fit comfortably with the shoulder strap. It's even longer than the regular shoulder strap, so it is a very, very comfortable carry both ways, you guys, and I absolutely love it. And then here it is with my accessories, and as you can see, I honestly feel like there's a bit of a color difference between the accessories. Maybe it's because it's pebbled leather versus glove tanned leather. Even with the card case, slight difference to me. I don't think it's picking up on camera, but this honey brown is gorgeous, you guys. And it does say, I don't know if I shared this detail, but it does say genuine glove tanned leather. No, genuine full grain leather right there. This bag is gorgeous, you guys. I'm so glad that I was patient and waited for the right honey brown color bag for me. While I was there at the outlet, I also got to see the new bluebell color and the fuchsia pink, and they were all pretty, but they definitely were not for me. I don't feel like I need that fuchsia, but it's because I bought vivid pink last year. But I feel like this brown is a beautiful year-round color. Again, you guys, this bag is big. It is at least 13 inches wide if it's holding a 13-inch laptop, and I know it's about 8 to 9 inches tall. So it is a good size. Some of you may be thinking that it is too big, but I do encourage you to maybe go to the store and try it on if you can. But if you feel like the 35 is too big, honestly, I feel the size 30 is the perfect everyday size. The regular size, the 26, they don't actually call it the 26, but I believe it's equivalent to a 26. It's closer to the size of a Cassie. So, and not a Cassie 19, but like a Cassie bag. So I knew that would be too small for me if I wanted to try to take that bag to work. But I believe this is going to be perfect for work. I think this will even be a good travel bag if you are traveling lightly, especially if you carry it with the crossbody strap. This strap is super comfortable, and I'll insert a picture of myself trying the bag on with the crossbody strap at the store. But I absolutely loved it. I tried on all 3. The 30 was okay, but the 35 was perfection on me. So super comfortable. I think it is very classy, and I think it can be dressed up, dressed down. It can be casual. It really can be whatever you need it to be, especially in this color. This color is a year-round color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what you think of the bag. Do you have one already? Because I know a lot of people bought this about 5 or 6 months ago when it was first shown in the Coach runway show, and then they came out with, you know, several of these some months later. And the difference between these and that first drop of the chain Tabby bags, those came with that really big kind of heavy dice charm, I want to say. Some had dice, some had skulls. I'm so glad these don't come with that, because I don't like anything with skulls on it. So and I saw those charms in the store and I do not care for them. So this is perfect for me. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which for this bag will very likely be a what's in my bag, because I do want to come back and show you guys how I pack this and carry this one for work.